Hello children, now second class mathematics, subtraction of numbers, part 4. Now subtract each pair of numbers given below, mark with right tick. Whose answer is different? You keep right tick. Same answer having means don't keep right tick. First of all, you do subtraction. So here 6 minus 9. We ones place 6 having, here 9 having. 6 minus 9. So we borrow will come 16. 16 minus 9. How much? Say 16 minus 9. So 9 to 10 to count. 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 7. In ones place 7, tens place. Here 1 will borrowing, remaining here 6 only having. Here 6 only having. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Remaining 4. Children, you observe here. First of all, ones place number we check. Subtraction is possible or not? This number is, first number is, ones place number is in first numbers too. Ones place number is small having means directly not possible subtraction. Then taking borrow, 1 10 will add, then become 6 become 16. 16 to 9 subtract it and write here. Then 1 borrow will going after 7 minus 1 only 6. 6 minus 2. 4. Okay. This like will do subtraction. Here 50 minus 15. 50 minus 15. Here see children. Here 0 minus 5. So we'll direct 0 is small number, 5 is big number. So directly it is not possible. So then take borrow 10. 10 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5. Then here 4 only. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 3 only. 35. 68 minus 33. 8 minus 3. How much? 3. After 4 to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. 6 minus 3. 3 only. Here 1 minus 6. Directly not possible. Here directly not possible. We'll take borrow. 1 become 11. So here 6. 11 minus 6. So 6 to 7 to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 11. So how many fingers? 5. 11 minus 6. 5. 6 minus 3. 3. See children, in these subtractions numbers will given. In these problems too, this 3 will same only having. This one answer will different. So we'll keep here right tick. Understand children now? Next B question. 50 minus 35. 50 minus 35. Then 60 minus 40. 60 minus 40. 36 minus 16. 36 minus 16. 68 minus 58. 68 minus 58. See children, this one, do subtraction now. 0 minus 5. Not possible. We'll take borrow, will become 10. 0 will become 10. 5 cutting 4 only. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 60 minus 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 20. Here, 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. See children, if this question will wrong only, this 48. Okay. 48 here. That question to 68 minus 48. Here write 4. Understand children? Here write 4. No. Here 58. Sorry children. 55 minus 35. 0, 2. 10 only. Which one is different? This one only different. Right now? Right children? Right all of you? The answers will write in your notebook too. These answers will write in your notebook too. And write it in textbook. Okay? Now, look at the subtraction done by Madhavi. If there are mistakes, write the correct answer in the brackets. Okay, children? Are you completed? Next one. Next bit. Next bit. A question we given here. Fifth bit. 54 minus 38. Here giving 24. So right means right it will give. Wrong means you write right answer. 68 minus 29. 49. C question. 30 minus 14. D question. 76 minus 58. 18. E1. 84 minus 79. See children, now here with symbol minus symbol. 4 minus 8 is directly not possible subtraction. So we take borrow 14. 14 minus 8. How much? Till 9 to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Here one's place 4 added. That one is wrong. So you write 6. Next here 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Understand this type will write. Wrong answer means you write right answer. Right answer means you keep writing. Once check. This is right around. Here 8 minus 9 directly not possible. We take borrow. Here 2. Here 5. 18 minus 9. 9 to count. 10 to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, how many? 9. 9 have it. One's place number will correct. Next 5 minus 2. 3, 4, 5. Here only 3. Here 4. So this answer will wrong. 39. Here 0 minus 4. Directly given 4. No. The borrow will come. 10 minus 4. 6. 2 minus 1. 2. Cut 1. 1 only. So, these three answers will wrong only. Here. 6 minus 8. Directly not possible. Subtraction. Here directly not possible. We'll take borrow. 16. 6 becomes 16. Here 6. 1 subtracting only. 16 minus 8. Till 9 to count. Till 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 8. 8 will correct. 6 minus 5. 6. 5 correct. 1 only correct. This answer only correct. You keep writing. Understand, children? This one? You do, children, this problem. E problem you do. Okay? Next is 6th bit. All of you wrote next 6th bit. Sixth one. Subtract the numbers in the first column. Mark the range with right in which your answer lies. In each case, one example is given. Here given 76 minus 28. That answer is 30 minus 40. Here giving C. In 6th problem too. 76 minus 28. 50 minus 19. 82 minus 23. 73 minus 15. 64 minus 70. This slide will be given. Here 30 to 40. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. Then 60 to 70. So children, in that answer, in these two numbers between will coming means you keep writing. This like only given your textbook to. This like box will given in your textbook. See here 76 minus 28. 6 minus 8 directly not possible. 16 minus 8. How much? 8 in one's place. Here you wrote here answers. 8 in one's place. So 6 minus 2 4. 48. 48 where having 40 and 15 middle 48 having. That's why they are given 40 to 50 in middle. Right tick. Next 50 minus 90. 0 minus 9. Directly not possible. We'll take borrow. 10. 10 minus 9. 1. You write first here answer. So we'll clearly take it. Okay? 1. Next here 4. 4 minus 1. 3. 31 where having 30 to 40 in between. 31 number only having 30 and 40 between. You keep writing here. Next 82 minus 23. 82 minus 23. 2 minus 3 directly not possible. We will take borrow 12. So 3 to 12 count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9. 9. Here 7. 7 minus 2. How much 7 minus 2? 5. 15 and where? 50 and 60 between. 59. Understand children? Next is 73 minus 58. Here also directly not possible subtraction. We'll take borrow. Here 13. Here 6. 13 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8. 8 in ones place. 6 minus 1. 5. 58. 58 we are having 50 and 60 between number. 58. 64 minus 17. Same here also. So 14. 14 minus 7. 7. Here 5. 5 minus 1. 4. 47. Here. Children, you wrote here answers. Afterwards you keep writing. Okay children, now write this one. Completed? Are you completed? Right now first 6th bit, page number 75. Are you completed? Next one. This right? Answers also will write very easily only. Next bit. Now next one. Write the next 3 numbers in each series. Write the next 3 numbers. In each series. Sixty, 50, 40, 85, 80, 75, 54, 45, 36, see children here 60 minus 50, here minus 10 only. Subtraction 62 minus 10 will subtracting, so will become 60 become 50. 52 minus 10, 40. 40 minus 10, 30 minus 10, 20. Here we write minus 10. Small to write pencil to. 20 minus 10, 10 only. Then here minus 5 only. Subtracting minus 5. 80, 75, 70, 65, 60. Then here 54, 45. 9 will subtracting. So 9, 54 minus 9. See. How much? 45. 36. 27. 18. Right now. Right children? In next topic, in next class time explaining. Okay children?